If you have one of these programmable timer switches, let me show you how to program it quickly. Okay, the first thing what you need to do is click on the reset button right there. You can use a toothpick or a paper clip. I can do it with my fingernail. Okay, so now it's all blink. The next thing what you do is hit the program button, and that'll bring you the clock feature right there. At this moment, you want to click, next thing you want to do, click day to choose what day is today. Today, right now, is Wednesday. So I'm going to click it through. I'm on Wednesday. And then you need to click the hour to set the timer. I'm sorry, to set the clock. So right now it's 9 something, 9:07. Oh, I just went past the AM. Okay, switch over to minute. It's on the right side, bottom, right bottom. Looks like it's 9:08. I went past. Come back. Slow down. Okay, I got 9:08 p.m. Wednesday. So now you need to program this for whatever days, or every day, or just 2 days, or whatever you want to do. You have to come back to the program switch. Press program, and that's going to show you program number 1 when it's going to come on. So it says on program number 1. So you're going to choose the day. I want it every day. So you have to press through several times to get to every day. So watch it. It's day. When I press one time, it's going to show Monday. So every time I press it, it's going to go through each day. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's only for each day now. Keep that in mind. I'm going to press again, but now it's giving me the option for all 5 weekdays. If I press again, it's going to give me the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. I press again, now it's giving me every day of the week. I'm happy with that. I need to change the time. I have my lights coming on at 10:45 p.m. So that's 10 p.m. 10:45 p.m. I'm done with that. So that's the time it comes on. Now I'm gonna go to the off feature. So hit program. See, it's blank. It's all showing blank. It's programmer number 1 still, and I need to be programming for what time it's going to turn off. Same thing you do it. Day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekdays, weekends, all days, all 7 days. I want to turn it off 6:30 in the morning, or let's say 6 a.m. 6 a.m. I'm happy. It turns off. Now, you can come out of this by hitting this switch over here. That's going to bring you out of the programmable mode. So right now it says 9:10 p.m. That's the clock. But the factory default is it's going to show off and manual. If you want the light to come on automatically, you have to change that mode to auto. The way to do it is you need to hold this button, the one right below clear. Hold it down until it changes over to auto. See? It still remains off because it's not 10:45 yet. That's how we do it. And hopefully this will come on at 10:45 p.m. Now, if you want to turn it on and off manually, you don't need to go here and do anything. You can just press on the switch, because the switch, it has these small indentations which actually presses on those switches. So all you have to do is just press on it. So it goes on and off, on, off.